Hi, in this video we'll fill out MRP forms for items B and C. So for 1A, you need 1B. Okay, so we'll do B first and then C. And for item B, there's no on hand, but there's 10 on order, which will arrive in week 1 of the planning period. Lead time is 1 week and order size is lot for lot. Okay, so let's use this information and fill out the MRP form for item B. Okay, scroll down. Item B, 1 week lead time. Order size lot for lot. 0 on hand and 10 on order. Week 1. All right. Next, we're going to determine gross requirements. 1A, 1B. Okay. So the planned order release for item A is 10 in week 1. So 10 multiplied by 1. So you have 10 here in week 1 for B. Okay. 10 times 1, you get 10. 30 here for A. Okay. 30 times 1, you get 30. Week 4. 40 A in week 7. So 40 times 1, you get 40. Okay. Why 1? Well, because what's indicated in the bill of materials, right? 1A, 1B. Now we have gross requirements. We have schedule receipt. Projected on hand at the beginning of the planning period is 0. Okay. On order is 10 in week 1. So let's look at week 1 here. Gross requirement is 10. Schedule receipt is 10. Net requirement is 10 minus 10 minus 0 is 10. Is 0. Okay. 10 minus 10 minus 0, you have 0 net requirements. So you don't have to place any order. And in week 2 and 3, on hand is 0 because you don't have any, right? Week 4, gross requirements is 30. So 30 minus 0 on order minus 30 minus 0 on order minus 0 on hand. So net requirements is 30. Okay, so you want 30 to arrive just in time. So you plan to receive 30 in week 4. So here's your plan. You plan to receive 30 in week 4. Okay, and since lead time is 1 week, you place an order right here in week 3. Okay, next let's determine week 5 and 6 on hand. So in week 4, 30 arrive, you use 30, so on hand is 0, right? You don't have any left. 0, 0. In week 7, gross requirement is 40 minus 0 on order minus 0 on hand. So net requirement is 40. You need 40. You plan to receive 40 just in time. And you place an order in week 6 because lead time is 1 week. So since lot sizing strategy is lot for lot, so you place an order for 40. Okay, so planned order release for item B is week 3, 30, week 6, 40. Okay, let's scroll up. 3, 30, 6, 40. Okay, here 3, 30, 6, 40. The answer is D. Oh, and by the way, you can download this worksheet in the link below. Okay, next we're going to fill out the form for item C. Okay, remember MRP logic is top down. We did A, level 0, we did B, and then C. Here we need to finish this level first before we moved on to level 2. All right, next is item C. So 1A, you need 2C. Okay, 1A, 2C. And C, you have 10 on hand, 50 on order, week 1. Lead time is 1 week. And the minimum order size is 50. So you can place an order for 50, 51, 52, so on. But the minimum size is 50. All right. So 10, 50 week 1, 1 week. All right, here. Item C. Okay. Lead time is 1 week. Order size is 50 or more. Okay. $10 on hand at the beginning of the planning period. And 10 on order. It's going to arrive in week 1 of the planning period. It's 10 or 50? Yeah, I forgot already. It's 50. I'm sorry. 10 and 50 week 1. 50. All right. Now next we're going to determine gross requirements. 1A, 2C, right? So look at A. What's the planned order release for A? Week 1, 10. So 10 times 2 is 20. Times 2 is 20. 30A times 2 is 60 in week 4. 40A times 2 is 80. All right? This 1A is 2C. Now we have gross requirements. We have schedule receipts. We have on order. We have on hand. Okay. Now we can start to determine net requirements. Week 1, 20 gross requirements, 50 on order, 10 on hand. So net requirements, net requirements, it's not going to be negative. You can fill out like 20 minus 50 minus 10 and it's negative 40. Okay. Well, you can do that too, but I would rather do 0 because you don't, net requirements indicated how many you need. Okay. And it implies what's the order size should be. So it's 0. You don't need to place an order. All right. So week 2 on hand is 50 plus 10. Okay. This is what you have. 50 plus 10 is what available, right? 60. So 60 minus gross requirements 20. You have 40 on hand. And 40 is carried over to week 3 and week 4. So in week 4, gross requirements is 60 minus 0 on order minus 40 on hand. Gross requirements in net requirements in week 4 is 20. All right. So you want 20 to arrive just in time. But the minimum lot size is 50. So one lot of 50 is enough. So you place an order for 50. All right. And you place an order right here in week 3 because lead time is 1 week. And what is on hand in week 5 and 6? Well, 50 arrive. You use 20. So you have 30 left. So 30 on hand in week 5, 30 on hand in week 6, and 30 on hand in week 7. In week 7, gross requirements is 80 minus 0 on order minus 30 on hand. You have 50 net requirements. At least 50, okay, must arrive just in time in week 7. And luckily, the minimum order size is 50. So we'll place an order for 50. Okay, because we need 50 is good. So we'll place an order right here in week 6 because lead time is 1 week. So the planned order release for item C is week 3, 50, week 6, 50. Okay, let's scroll up. Week 3, 50, okay, 6, 50. So the answer is E. All right, I'll stop this video right here and we'll wrap up in the next video.